As the temperatures rise and the sun shines brighter, it's time to focus on summer fitness and nutrition. With the right approach, you can stay healthy, energized, and active all season long. Here are some top summer fitness nutrition tips to help you make the most of the sunny ahead. First and foremost, hydration is key during the summer months. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're spending time outdoors or engaging in physical activity. Hydration can quickly zap energy and hinder your performance, so keep a water bottle handy at times. Incorporating seasonal fruits into your diet is another great way to stay nourished and refreshed during the summer. From juicy watermelon to sweet berries, take advantage of the delicious and nutritious options available this time of year. These fruits are not only hydrating, but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support overall health. Maintaining electrolyte balance is crucial for proper muscle function and hydration, particularly if you're sweating profusely. Consider adding electrolyte-rich foods like bananas, coconut water, and leafy greens to your meals to replenish what you lose through sweat. Whether your goal is muscle gain or weight loss, meal prep can help you stay on track with your fitness goals. Dedicate some time each week to planning and preparing nutritious meals and snacks that you can grab on the go. This will not only save you time and money, but also keep you from succumbing to unhealthy temptations when hunger strikes. Opt for high-energy foods that will fuel your workouts and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Foods like lean protein, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are excellent choices to help you stay energized throughout the day. Pack these nutrient-dense options in your gym bag or cooler for a quick and healthy pick-me-up. And don't forget about fitness snacks. Having nutritious snacks on hand can help you refuel after a workout or keep hunger at bay between meals. Consider options like Greek yogurt with fruit, whole grain crackers with nut butter, or a protein shake to support your fitness goals. With these top summer fitness nutrition tips in mind, you'll be well equipped to make the most of the season while staying healthy and active. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and fuel yourself with wholesome foods that support your overall well-being. Here's to a happy and healthy summer ahead.